Guys, so here we are with another unboxing, and this time it is another statue, but this time it's of my favorite Assassin's Creed character from Assassin's Creed 4, Edward Kenway. Now, dude, I wanted to get this a few years ago, back when it came out. I think in 2014, I believe. But I moved. All this crazy stuff happened. I wasn't able to get it until now. And the best part is, I got it for the same retail price. So I'm about to open this right up immediately. As you can see, I'm not wasting any time. Got the shirt on, representing. Got that representing. Got the blood veil representing, but you can't see it. But now I'm just so hyped, dude. I've been wanting this forever. What is that? Well, done with that box. Now I can throw this off to the side here. As you can see, it says Assassin's Creed right there. Oh yeah. Get rid of that. Oh, yes. As you can see the freaking logo. This is the pose he's gonna be doing. Looks freaking amazing. Got it right there from a different angle. And we have just some information on the back here with the pose still. We got 439 deluxe edition. Oh yeah. Pop that open. Bam bam. Thank you, ma'am. Great. Starting off with another, little signature of authenticity and whatnot here. Let's see what we gotta do here. That's the body right here. Oh, right here we have the base. Holy crap, this base is huge. Let's start by removing that. Putting that to the side. You know what? Got some imprinted logo action going on there. I moved it away pretty quickly. Let me see how to get this out of here without damaging anything. I know it's a two-part base. Alright, so we start off with this huge part right here. Let me just see how close we are, so maybe I'll scoot in a little more. That's close enough. For now, anyways. Got some protection action going on. Right there you can see, you know, the number and everything, the logo, 438, again, Airport Kenway. Let me show you this base real quick. It's pretty much the same thing all around. Inside, bottom. What we got here? 2013? Did this come out in 2013? If so, wow. I thought it was 14. But now this is amazing. Look at that detail. Look at that shit, dude. That water is amazing. I don't know how they do it, but it's freaking. Look at that, dude. You can see in the water. Fuck. It looks better in person than in video, man. I've seen plenty of videos. I don't even think anybody showed it like this, but this, even the bottom. Oh, feet goes all the way through. I didn't know that. You got his hair right there. But man, dude, this is freaking captivating. I was looking at it myself, my bad. All the grooves and waves and everything. This is just freaking. I can't even describe it. You got the dead pirate right there. I know it's dark because of the lighting. But I'll show you better lighting in a second. A few minutes. Alright. Now we have Edward Kenway here. Oh boy. Alright, where's over? Gotta make sure I don't break anything here. Freaking huge! Dude, freaking dope, man. I'll give you a closer look at him before I put him on here. Super dark, I know. Dude, the detail is fucking crazy. That should be a little better. Dude, how the size of this thing and all the detail it just doesn't show up on camera. No matter 4K, not. It just doesn't look as good. In person, this thing is freaking crazy. But let me go back to setting everything up. Let me see if I can get him on here. Right. How is this supposed to get? I got it. Whoa. The base is kind of loose up in here. Is it? Not fair. There's nothing. Just like I recall. it's like a little bit too much space in the barrel. But oh well. Let me put on all this. Put on his hands and guns, swords and shit real quick here. This blade is dope. It's pretty pointy. There we go. Much easier if you just look at the picture. Freaking little pistols here, flintlock pistols, or whatever. I forgot exactly what they're called in the game. But they're guns, okay? These bad boys was doing damage. Oh, these are much larger than the ones he's holding. I mean, than the ones you just put on the, you know, on his back or whatever. See? Look at the size difference. Crazy difference. Now Edward Kenway is ready to bust a cap in your ways. Okay, so that one goes on the back, I guess. Then the two smaller ones go in the front. Bam, bam. His name is not even close to Sam. I think that's complete right there. Yeah. And you know what? Unlike the freaking Negan statue, I'm gonna go ahead and show this one closer. Just cause you got to. Alright. There he is, all his glory. Look at that detail. The shit is amazing. Look how the light just reflects off of the water, just like it's real. Even got water on your boy's face right here. It's all shiny. This is crazy, man. You don't need any other Edward figure, statue, whatever, besides this one. This one is definitely the best. I had another one, you know, the one that came with the special edition, but man, this doesn't even, I mean, that one doesn't even compare. There you go, right there, just like the picture. Amazing. So yeah, pretty much that's the unboxing here. I will do a review pretty far in the future, probably, because how slow my computer is, and still got to do other reviews. Still got to do the Negan review and everything. But yeah, that's the unboxing for you. Edward Kenway from Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag. Amazing. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Till next time, see ya.